In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the volume on Zoom. Whether you're participating in a crucial meeting or simply catching up with friends, having clear audio is essential to your experience. If you've ever found yourself straining to hear or missing important details, you're in the right place. Let's dive into some simple yet effective steps to boost that volume. First things first, you'll want to ensure that your computer's volume is turned up. It might seem obvious, but sometimes in the rush of preparing for a call, this simple check can be overlooked. So before diving into Zoom-specific settings, take a moment to adjust your system volume. You can do this by locating the speaker icon, usually found in your taskbar. Click on it and make sure the volume slider is all the way up, or at least at a comfortable level for you. Once your computer's overall volume is set, let's move into Zoom. When you're in a meeting, glance at the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. You'll see the mute/unmute button. Next to it, there's a small upward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click on that arrow, which will open up a small menu. This menu is your gateway to more detailed audio options. From the menu that appears, select Audio Settings. This option will open a new window that gives you access to various settings you can tweak to optimize your audio experience. You'll want to focus on the section labeled Speaker. Here, you'll find a volume slider dedicated specifically to Zoom. The key is to move this slider to the right, which will increase the volume output for your Zoom meetings. But how do you know if it's loud enough? Zoom has a handy feature for that. Just below the volume slider, there's a button labeled Test Speaker. Click on this to play a test sound through your speakers or headphones. This allows you to fine-tune the volume to ensure it's neither too quiet nor too overpowering. Once you're satisfied with the sound level, you can close the audio settings. Remember, these changes will remain in effect for future meetings unless you choose to adjust them again. Ensuring that your Zoom audio is crisp and audible significantly enhances your meeting experience, making communication seamless and enjoyable. Thank you for watching the video. I hope these tips help you enjoy clearer conversations in all your Zoom calls. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.